Dealers know a dirty secret about selling cars that you don't. They prep cars for less than $200 and flip them for thousands more. Here's exactly how to steal their playbook and pocket that cash yourself in 2026. First up, the 30-minute detail that adds $3,000 to your asking price. Number 1. Deep clean the interior like your buyer's worst ex is going to inspect it. Remove floor mats, vacuum under the seats, and hit every crevice with a detailing brush. Buyers judge a car's maintenance by how clean the interior is. Fact. Number 2. Shampoo those seats and carpets. $20 at any auto store. Stains scream neglect. Even small ones can knock $1,000 off your offer. Number 3. Clean all windows inside and out. Buyers peek through glass first. Smudges and haze make them wonder what else you didn't maintain properly. Next, the exterior trick that makes your car look 5 years younger instantly. Number 4. Hand wash and wax your car. Not a drive-through wash. Hand wash. Drive-throughs leave swirl marks. Buyers see those and think you cut corners everywhere. Number 5. Apply tire shine to all 4 tires. This is the dealer's 50-cent secret. Shiny tires make the entire car look newer. It's pure psychology for under $5. Number 6. Clean your wheels and rims. Brake dust is a huge red flag. Dirty rims tell buyers you didn't care. Clean ones whisper premium maintenance. Now the mechanical moves that prevent buyers from lowballing you into oblivion. Number 7. Get a pre-sale inspection. Spend $100 to save thousands in negotiations. Buyers will find problems. You find them first and fix them or price accordingly. Number 8. Change your oil right before selling. Fresh oil equals fresh confidence. Smart buyers check the dipstick. Dark sludge makes them walk. Golden clean makes them pay. Number 9. Top off all fluids. Brake, coolant, washer fluid. All of them. Low fluids signal neglect. Full fluids signal a car that's ready to drive home today. Number 10. Replace worn wiper blades. $10 that prevents a $100 price drop. Buyers test wipers. Streaky glass makes them think everything else is worn too. Time for the paperwork power moves that separate amateurs from dealmaker pros. Number 11. Gather all maintenance records. Every oil change, every repair, every receipt matters. No records means buyers assume nothing was done. Records add $1,500 minimum to value. Number 12. Pull a vehicle history report yourself. Know what buyers will see before they see it. Accidents or title issues. Address them up front or they'll torpedo your asking price later. Number 13. Have the title ready and lien-free. Complicated titles kill deals in 2026. Still owe money? Pay it off first or expect buyers to vanish when paperwork gets complicated. Finally, the presentation tricks that make buyers compete instead of negotiate down. Number 14. Take photos in natural light during golden hour. Morning or late afternoon only. Bad photos get ignored. Pro-looking shots get 20 times more messages from serious buyers. Number 15. Remove personal items completely. Empty that car like you never owned it. Buyers need to imagine it's theirs. Your stuff in there kills that fantasy instantly. Do all 15 steps, and you're not just selling a car. You're selling a dream. That dream gets you top dollar, while lazy sellers watch their cars sit for months. Quick recap, so you don't forget. Deep clean interior like a forensics team is coming. Hand wash exterior and make those tires shine like new. Pre-inspection and fresh oil prevent negotiation nightmares. Maintenance records and clean title close deals fast. Golden hour photos and 0 personal items seal the premium price. That's how you prepare your car like a dealer and pocket dealer profits yourself. Follow for more insider car tricks that save you thousands in 2026.